Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find General Settings. Then let's tap on Languages and Input and tap on Languages at the top. Now we have to tap on Add a Language. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick, I don't know. I'll pick maybe Greek. So just tap on it, choose the region if you can. And your device will ask you whether you want to set a new language as a default one. So just tap on Change. And as you can see right now, the Greek language in my case is at the top, and from now on the whole system is in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language is added here, so I've got English and Greek, you can quickly change the language just by tapping on the language you'd like to apply. So in my case, English, it will be also immediately applied, or you can reorder them. So just tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position, and your device will again ask you whether you want to change it. So you've got three different ways of changing the language actually, or actually two. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit in the right upper corner, mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on Delete. Tap on Remove, and you've got only one language applied here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.